When it comes to managing creative projects, both Asana and Monday offer a solid foundation for tracking tasks, collaborating with teams, and meeting deadlines. But which one is actually better for creative projects? Stick around, because I'm going to break down the key features of both, highlight where they shine and where they fall short, so you can make an informed decision. Let's start with Asana. The first thing you'll notice is its user-friendly interface. Asana's simplicity makes it easy to start using right away. The tool provides a lot of flexibility when it comes to organizing tasks, whether you're working with lists, boards, or timelines. It's great for small teams or solo creatives who need to keep track of a lot of moving parts without feeling overwhelmed. Next thing, task management is one of Asana's biggest strengths. You can break tasks down into subtasks, set due dates, assign tasks to team members, and track progress visually. If you love having all your tasks neatly organized, Asana is definitely a top contender for managing creative projects. However, it's not perfect. Sometimes the interface can feel too rigid, and while customization is possible, it requires a bit of digging to really tailor it to your specific needs. For creative teams, flexibility is key, and Asana's level of customization might leave you wanting more in terms of visual design control. Moving on to Monday, this tool offers a very different vibe. It's vibrant, highly customizable, and lets you create workflows with almost any level of complexity. Monday shines when it comes to collaborative features, whether you're working on a video project, an ad campaign, or design work. You can easily create boards that reflect your team's unique process. It's ideal for larger teams who need to track multiple stages of creative work, and it offers more flexibility in terms of color coding, layout customization, and visual design. The fourth thing to note is Monday's automation features. You can set up automation to streamline repetitive tasks, saving you time and reducing human error. This makes it especially appealing for creative teams handling multiple tasks or clients at once. However, with all its bells and whistles, Monday can be a bit overwhelming, especially for new users or smaller creative teams who might not need all the advanced features. Next, Asana's integrations. It has a wide array of tools that it connects with. Whether it's Slack, Google Drive, or your favorite design tools, Asana makes it easy to link up with other software you might already use. Monday also has integrations, but Asana's ecosystem feels a bit more seamless and mature, particularly for teams who rely heavily on other productivity tools. But here's the thing, both of these tools, while great for creative projects, have their limitations when it comes to design-heavy workflows. If you're someone who needs a more visually intuitive and flexible workspace, or if you have a team that thrives on flexibility and ease of use for creative projects, these platforms can feel a bit too structured. The final thing I want to point out is the price. Both Asana and Monday can get pricey, especially if you need advanced features. Asana has a free version, but it comes with some limitations. Monday's free plan is also restrictive, and the paid versions can quickly add up if you want the full suite of features. So, while Asana and Monday are both solid choices, I've found there's a tool that works better for creative teams, one that combines flexibility, visual design, and streamlined collaboration. And the best part? It's a lot more affordable. If you want to take your creative projects to the next level and see for yourself, check out the free trial link in the description. You'll get the best trial and exclusive benefits available only through our link. Give it a try, and you might just find the perfect tool for your creative needs.